taste. Then we are using this sauce as dip, so you just do this, yeah. We want to make a creamy garlic sauce, and so these are our ingredients or requirements. We have garlic, because you are going to make creamy garlic sauce, so garlic must be there. Then we have lemon. These are lemon. Just remove the cut because I used to cook lemon mandazi. Then we have yogurt. You can use yogurt or sour cream. So first thing, we are going to make sure that these cloves of garlic are clean by removing the dry part. Don't mind about my hands, just from cooking chapati, so it's not poison, it's not that. Just make sure your hands are clean so that you don't contaminate the sauce you are making. Me. As I was cooking, and my phone got mafuta. So you just got loose from the sun, like fall inside the cooking oil and burning out the rust. So you can watch keenly, and you can do it from the comfort of your kitchen. Just follow the procedure, follow what I'm doing, and then you will taste what I'm making if you decide to make it in your kitchen. What you are doing is you are peeling the outer part or the outer coat of the garlic to remove so that it remains the soft part. We are going to make creamy garlic sauce, and it's made from garlic. So it's yogurt, garlic and lemon juice. So first step, we peel the garlic. Now it's clean, so we can proceed. So we need to mince it or chop into very tiny pieces. Then we'll squeeze the lemon out, the juice from this lemon. so sticky. It's so sticky when it starts to dry up. You can feel it. Now this is what we call minced garlic. So here we have our minced garlic. This is minced garlic. This is what we mean by use minced garlic. You get your garlic, chop into very tiny particles, then proceed with the procedure. So our next step is we are going to chop this into two and squeeze out the juice. I think I should put this aside. So we are going to cut this into two pieces so that it can be easy for us to squeeze out the juice, because it's the juice that we want. Yeah. So here is the lemon juice. So this lemon juice, we have lemon juice, we have minced garlic. So what we do, you take your garlic, we want to mix everything together. Actually, we just mix everything together. This is a simple creamy garlic sauce. Mix everything together, you adjust to taste. It's great with grilled meat, veggies, or as a dip. It means then sasa you take your yogurt. For my case, I'm using vanilla flavor. So just open my so mwaga hapo ndani, unachanganya na minced garlic. So after you add them together, you mix kabisa poa. Kisha hata inapotea potea. You need to mix well. Then take your lemon juice. In case I'll add 2. Yeah. Mix them together. So naenda kuongeza salt kiasi, just for taste. Add salt kidogo, pinch of salt, something like this size, just kidogo hivyo. Yeah. So the salt is something that adds taste to food. Then sasa mix poa kabisa. Kisha mix poa. So pia unaweza ongeza pepper, black pepper. If you have black pepper, you can add here. And here you have our sauce. This is our sauce. Simple, creamy garlic sauce. Quick one, homemade, simple, nice and easy. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you check me next. Bye bye. So nimepika mandazi. Let me just cut one to taste. Then we are using this sauce as dip. So you just do this. Yeah. Tamu sana.